Have you ever felt stuck in a loop of overthinking where you're just unsure of what the right decision is? Well, if you have, I want to assure you that you're not alone. But what if I told you that indecision is costing you more than the wrong decision? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple framework to make clear, confident decisions so that you can move forward without hesitation and start unlocking your potential today. So, the first thing that we need to discuss is how overthinking leads to wasted time, missed opportunities, and mental exhaustion. I know I've been there myself where you have a plethora of options. And let's be honest, with the amount of information that we get and that we have access to, it doesn't make it any easier, right? But when you have so many options and you're just failing to make any sort of decision at all, it's not hard to get stuck in a place of inaction, right? Where you're feeling paralysis over making any decision at all. And then you're stuck in that place where you're not making any sort of forward momentum, right? And what does that lead to? It leads to one, wasted time. The time that you could have spent executing, you're spending just analyzing options. It leads to missed opportunities, right? There's an opportunity cost for every decision that we make and that we don't make. And by not making any decisions, you're missing out on opportunities. And then the last thing is just mental exhaustion. How exhausting is it when you are just feeling so overwhelmed? You feel that pit in your stomach or in your chest because there's so many options and you don't know what to choose, right? We need to move away from that. And what do successful entrepreneurs do? They do the opposite of what I just said, right? They make fast, confident decisions. And what allows them to do that is adjusting as they go. The truth is, the perfect decision is just a manifestation of procrastinating, right? And sometimes it manifests itself in fear and what protects us, right? When we're feeling fearful, taking that next action and actually doing the thing, that's scary. So a way that we protect ourselves is waiting for that perfect decision or the perfect time that will likely never come. So, what's the solution? The solution is a 5-step framework that's going to help you make confident decisions. Okay. So, the first step is to define the outcome clearly. I know that sounds simple, but really narrowing down and getting crystal clear on what you're trying to achieve is going to be crucial. I'll give you an example. I worked with a client and he was really focused on producing content. He's an artist, so one of his goals was producing content that he could release, right? And he was really struggling with perfectionism, right? And getting stuck in analysis paralysis. And one of the things that he had to figure out was that he wasn't actually, the goal was not for him to produce perfect content, or wasn't to produce, in this case, a perfect music video. His goal actually was to learn throughout the process. And once he realized that, that allowed him to start taking action. So getting clear on what it is you're actually trying to achieve is very important. Okay. The second step is you need to limit your options. With the amount of options that we have out there today, too many choices can slow us down. So what I implore you to do is narrow it down to 2 or 3 options max. The third thing that you need to do is set yourself a deadline to actually make that decision by. Okay. Give yourself a strict time and abide by it. That means if you say you're going to make this decision in 1 hour, after 60 minutes passes, you make that decision and you live with the results. Step 4, trust and adjust. Make a choice, take action, and adapt along the way. This is something that I have personally had to learn the hard way, right? But I can tell you, on the other side of getting in the habit of getting something 80-90% there and trusting that you're going to learn along the way, the amount of growth that you see on the other side of that, it does not compare to the person who's sitting there analyzing, sitting in fear, and not taking action. So that is huge. And the fifth and final step is to eliminate regret. Okay, there's no wrong choice. It's just opportunities to learn and course correct. And if you think about it, right, every decision that you made, I can almost guarantee that the ones that you learned the most from were the wrong decisions, right? The wrong decisions or the mistakes. I want you to think about it this way. Every decision that you make and every mistake or misstep that you take, Those are the best opportunities for you to learn and for you to collect information on what you can improve. If you're making all the right decisions and you're doing everything perfectly, it's going to be a lot harder for you to find opportunities to get better and better at whatever your craft is. And ultimately, I know that's what you're after. Now, I want you to think of one decision that you know you've been overthinking and commit to making a choice today, not tomorrow, not a week from now. You watch this video, you got some answers. Just commit to making that choice today. Now that you know how to break through analysis paralysis, you probably want to take some massive action so that you can start aligning your actions with your desired outcomes and really unlock your potential. And if that's the case, then on this page, I invite you to schedule a complimentary alignment call with me. And during this call, we're going to look at the way that you're currently thinking. We'll identify some of your limiting beliefs. We'll assess your current habits and patterns and identify the mindset that you need to overcome the number one thing that's holding you back. Then we're going to map out a 4-step action plan that's going to help you gain mental clarity, take aligned action so that you can execute with conviction in the next 90 days. Now, you might be thinking, why would we offer this call for free? And it's actually really simple. We know that a percentage of you that book the call and get the plan will want to implement it, and you'll want to work with us to help you do that. And if that's you, that's fantastic. If that's not you, that's also fantastic. There's no problem there at all. But the only way that you can get the plan is to book the call. So again, I urge you to book the call. You click that link below and schedule your call today, and I'll see you soon.